I led a delegation of the Kenyan team to Tanzania for a bilateral meeting which we held in Dar es Salaam. We had very good engagement, and it was a first meeting to be done in 5 years. We had cordial discussions, friendly discussions. We looked at all the issues that Tanzania has on Kenya. We looked at all the issues that we have on Tanzania. We agreed on the things to resolve. For instance, now there is free flow of milk and milk products. There is no problem at all. We have LPG products, and we have also the others like tobacco, which have some legal challenges, but we agreed. And we said, we agreed in that meeting that we will meet again in November, and we are the ones who are going to host. I've just written a letter to my colleague to invite them for a meeting later this month, in November, and we will host in Mombatha, and we will review them. So some of the issues that have come up the other day on the issues of, for instance, livestock and the issue of poultry, they are new, but we are going to pick them up. I am aware also that my colleagues in government are addressing that administratively through the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and even Ministry of Livestock. So please, let's not read too much on this. And we also want to understand, could there be some people not meeting the requirements? If you are exporting some things to another country and you don't have the licenses and all that, how are you to be treated? So I think those are the things that we are going to do and to focus on. We are looking at the facts. All is not lost.